Tired of frequently repairing your equipment? Need help to get fast yet high-quality solution? Introducing the RNR, Re-Engineer, and Re-Juvenate, a new concept that will replace the legacy repair approaches. What is RNR? RNR is the process of identifying the issue, conduct analysis, make recommendations, design solution, product improvement, testing and verification, monitor and evaluate. This wholesome process converts your rundown equipment into an improved state. So, when do you need RNR? When your newly purchased equipment is not performing at its peak. When your current equipment has to be frequently repaired. When the overall processes are not efficient. When there are many unplanned downtimes. When you often deal with situation where operation cost exceeded budget forecast. Features of RNR. Engineering capabilities and analysis. Technology and innovation. Precision manufacturing. Testing and verification. Aftermarket services. Pump design. Product improvement. Mechanical seal. Finite element analysis and computational simulation. Mechanical seal. Cyclone separator. Impeller. Pump. In-house manufacturing. Quality control. Pump performance and functionality test. Static air test. Dynamic test. Technical on-site services. Training services. Vendor managed inventory, VMI. Are quality, speed and cost important to you? Switch to RNR so you can just rest and relax while we re-engineered and rejuvenate your equipment. RNR, the future is here. Contact us today to learn more.